This part goes here.
The last part goes here. Sophia, we're done.
Bravo! You did a great job.
Sophia, can we play something on the laptop?
Not today, Schorsch. You use the laptop too much. Let's try something different.
I wonder what we'll do instead.
This box has special items for crafting. Let's see. Pens, paints, scissors set, watercolor, and craft paper. That's what I wanted.
What is that?
This origami set includes colored paper, allowing you to create hand figures.
Meow, meow. I love cats. Sophia, can you make a cat?
Let's give it a try. We'll use blue paper. This set has step-by-step instructions to follow. First, fold the paper diagonally. Now, fold it again in the middle. What comes next? Fold these two corners up. These are the ears. Finally, fold the top corner down. Flip it over, and the cat's face is ready.
But Sophia, our cat has no eyes or nose.
You're right, Schorsch. You can draw the face. What color should we use?
Let's use black. Drawing eyes, drawing a nose. Look, Schorsch, our cat looks great.
Yes. Now, let's make something else.
Okay.
What should we make next? A tulip, a tree. How about a fish? Wait, I want to make a dog.
Great idea. What color should we use?
I like this color. Now, we follow these steps.
Fold the paper in half. Fold it again. Fold two corners down. Fold the middle corner up. Woof, woof. Now, let's draw the face.
Okay. How does it look?
It looks amazing. What's your view, Peppa?
Yes, very nice.
Now I'll choose. Let's make a fish. Friends, you can try making these at home, too. Bye. See you next time. Hello, friends. Our Christmas tree is set up. When everyone gets back, we'll decorate the room together. I have a special idea. We're making Christmas ornaments out of cookies. First, we choose colors for our cookies. Light blue, light green, purple, red, and yellow. Now, let's start baking. A star-shaped cookie. A heart-shaped cookie. Now I am making a flower out of red Play-Doh. A flower-shaped cookie. I think we have enough cookies now. Before baking, we use a straw to make holes in each cookie. Now, we need ribbons to hang them on the tree. They're ready. But first, let's bake them in the oven.
We're home.
I am coming.
Great. Today, we're decorating the Christmas tree.
This year, we're using homemade cookie ornaments. That's exciting.
That's a great idea.
Once Christmas is over, we can eat the cookies.
The tree looks beautiful, and it smells delicious.
Friends, have you decorated your tree yet? Bye.
Merry Christmas, everyone!